Welcome. Today we'll solve a problem involving related angles in a triangle. We need to find the measures of all angles in a triangle, given that the first angle is twice the second angle. Let's start by drawing a triangle and labeling our angles. We'll call the first angle A, the second angle B, and the third angle C. Since angle A is twice angle B, we can write that angle A equals 2 times angle B. Now, we know that in any triangle, the sum of all interior angles must equal 180 degrees. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Since we know that angle A equals 2 times angle B, let's substitute this into our equation. This gives us 2b plus b plus c equals 180 degrees. Simplifying the left side, we get 3b plus c equals 180 degrees. Now, since we're working with a triangle, we know that angle B must be positive and less than 90 degrees. Let's solve for angle B. If we substitute different values, we can see that angle B must equal 36 degrees. Since angle A is twice angle B, we can calculate that angle A equals 72 degrees. Finally, we can find angle C by subtracting angle A plus angle B from 180 degrees. This gives us 72 degrees. Let's verify our solution. First, angle A is indeed twice angle B, since 72 is twice 36. And all three angles sum to 180 degrees, since 72 plus 36 plus 72 equals 180. Therefore, in this triangle, angle A is 72 degrees, angle B is 36 degrees, and angle C is 72 degrees.